Welcome to day 3, Wednesday, September 23rd. Remember, on Wednesday, it's an async day. That means we will not meet on Zoom as a class. Let's see what we have today. First, you're going to watch this video that explains what you have to do for today. Then you're going to click on Async. You have 3 activities to do. You have MEL practice, My English Lab practice. Remember to follow all of the instructions here. You click here to go to the website. Before you click here, read the directions. You're going to click Return User and click Sign In. Enter your username and password, the same from yesterday, which is your first name and the last 6 numbers of your ID. Remember, your password is still level 6 2020. Then you click Sign In. After you click Sign In, you're going to click the second square, My English Lab, Future Advanced. After you click My English Lab Future Advanced, you will click Assignments. If you have completed your assignments from yesterday, you will see you have an assignment to complete for today. Please complete it. That's your first async assignment. And next, you have a discussion post. You are going to read this here, this graphic here, and you're going to respond to both questions in 3 to 5 sentences. Be sure to check for spelling before you post. And your last assignment is to do pages 4 and 5 in your textbook. And that's it for async. Also, remember, in the evening, I have office hours from 7 to 8 on Zoom. You are welcome to come into Zoom, and I am available for any questions if you need any assistance in anything. All right, good luck.